As Vice President of Hilliard Lyons, and Bill Spiropoulos, CEO of CoreStates Capital Advisors. Alan, you first. I'll admit right out in front, I'm surprised so little reaction to the stress test.
Yeah, so are we. I mean, it has been leaked over the course of the last 2 weeks, that's for sure. But still, it's pretty surprising to see this market hold up so good. And that jobs number today was really, from ADP, was really a good sign. But, you know, we're getting good signs not only here in the U.S. market, but around the world. You saw German auto sales in April at up 19%. You saw the unemployment rate in Spain easing, China doing good. And you saw the LIBOR rate below 1% for the first time in 6 months.
Oh, you're sounding a little more upbeat than in the recent past.
I'm a believer now. I'm starting to believe these numbers that are coming out. They look great, and not just from here, but from around the whole world, which is good. I mean, we're still declining, but at a much slower pace.
All right, Bill Spiropoulos, you're bullish, right?
Yes, I am. Have been for a while.
Okay. Now, you've got what you call 2020 global vision. There are 20 critical drivers. Can you let us in on some of them, which look good, which look bad?
Well, we break it down into 4 key categories: economic, political, social, demographic. Right now, I think the end of deflation, the end of disinflation is a critical impact for investors to consider over the long haul. I think that everybody's so afraid of, is the equity market bottomed, is the bear over, that they're not watching that there may be a new secular bear market emerging on the debt side of the equation. So there's a lot of things to focus on. The key themes that we see are recovery, a return to normalcy, and not the end of the world.
All right, Alan Valdez, what part of the market's going to treat my money best?
Well, I still love the equities. I think, you know, they've been beaten down so much, even though we're up 33% in the S&Ps. I think they have a little ways to go yet. I think this is where you want to be, in these equities, especially behind me on the New York Stock Exchange.
All right, within equities, any particular sector you think we should be looking at?
Well, I like the techs and I like the agriculture going forward. I think those are 2 strong sectors that are going to keep getting bigger and bigger and stronger as the year goes on.
Okay, and Bill Spiropoulos, you see, I'm just browsing through my notes again, the end of disinflation is good news. Increasing petro power, though, that can't be good news.
No, well, we have structural issues. We have sins of the last 30 years that we have to deal with. And putting a little effort into building windmills is not the answer. We need to build 100 nukes. We need to deliver natural gas systems in this country. I'm afraid as the market returns to normalcy, we are going to see $70 and $80 oil again. There are consequences for our 30 years of malfeasance. And reflation is going to be something that could turn very quickly.